Got some crawl space work in here we're going to do today. A little bit rainy to work on the swimming pool. We were going to coat the pool floor today with that epoxy paint, but moved him over here to Blue Springs to work on this crawl space. Homeowner's been waiting for us for a few weeks. For any crawl space work, these guys don't mind doing it. They're used to it. Give us a call, 816-521-8915. You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com. On this project here, we're at the vertical support columns, which is nothing more than a cinder block. They're skewed off. We're going to make them vertical again. Make sure they're sitting on a good solid base. And then in between the floor joists, we're going to cut 6x6 treated wood support beams and bolt them, push them all the way to the subfloor, and then bolt them in from the sides of the floor joists, and that will sturdy up the floors. The homeowner says when they step in a certain spot, it's between the floor joists and it sinks. So these floor joists are probably a little further than 16 inches apart. So we'll sturdy them up. That's what we're going to do today. kingpiers.com.